Now that you have your Cerakote headlight restoration kit, let's show you how to go from this to this in just 3 easy steps. Before you begin, wash your headlights thoroughly with any type of car soap and rinse them well. If applicable, open your car's hood for easier access to the headlights. Step 1. Let's remove the oxidization. Put on the supplied gloves. Once your hands are protected, open one of the oxidation remover wipes and rub the headlight in a circular scrubbing motion. You will notice the wipes becoming yellow. This is the oxidation being extracted in one of the most satisfying steps in the process. Oh yeah! Included are 4 wipes per headlight. Once your wipe has become yellow and soiled, grab a fresh one and start again. Be sure to use all 4 wipes and don't worry if your 4th wipe is still yellow, as the next step will remove any final oxidization. When you are finished with the wipes, rinse the headlights thoroughly with water. Complete Step 1 on both headlights before proceeding to Step 2. Step 2. Let's prepare the surface. Fasten the red disc to the surface prep pad. Wet the headlights and the sanding discs with water and scrub the entire headlight in a uniform, non-circular motion for 2 to 3 minutes. Be sure to keep the lens wet during this time. When finished, rinse the headlight with water. Now fasten the gray disc to the prep pad and repeat the process, ensuring that the headlight stays wet the entire time. In some cases, it may be necessary to remove the discs to get hard-to-reach areas. Extra effort on this step will give you the best possible results. When you're finished with the gray disc, rinse the headlights and surrounding areas with water and dry with any clean, soft towel. Use multiple towels to make sure it's good and dry. Very important. The headlights and surrounding areas must be completely bone dry before you start Step 3. The ceramic coating is not compatible with water and can damage your headlights if they are not completely dry. Pro tip: if you have access to compressed air, you can use this to remove water from places that may be trapped but hard to reach with a towel. You want that puppy bone dry. Step 3. Let's coat these bad boys. Put on the second pair of clean gloves and open one of the clear coat wipes. Starting at the top, carefully wipe the coating onto the headlight in a single direction. When you reach the far side of the headlight, start back on the other side and overlap your wipe by 50%. Pro tip: if any of the coating gets on the car's paint, don't worry. Simply wipe it off with a dry towel. Repeat the process on the other headlight with the second wipe. Allow the coating to dry for a minimum of 60 minutes before driving or exposing it to moisture. Congratulations! You've clarified, restored, and protected your headlights for life. Nice work! Now that your car has the eyes of an angel, make sure its trim is looking just as good. Check out Cerakote Trim Coat to see how we can restore and protect your car's trim with a similar process. Get your coat on with Cerakote.